Hello. Greetings, everyone. This is Buhle Sbanze presenting Gospel Tour with Buhle Sbanze.
I'm gonna stand against the Lord. I'm gonna push throughout the clouds. For brighter light is waiting for me.
Siyazula siyabangena lapha sihamba ke ngenye indlela sishintsha amagiya as we are in the studios zase ema-ofisini I'm no longer in Cape Town like I've said before. Ngisema studios zase
God's Kingdom Ambassadors Fellowship.
Yes, namhlanje ngihamba no Mr. Phiri. One thing le nokususa umsindo emasontweni. Le nto leyo hey madoda kuxabene abafundisi kwaxabana abantu ching imali. Namhlanje Mr. P ngicela ubulise singakangeni deeper into.
Thank you Mntakababa Mr. Sbanze.
Yeah.
Ngiyabingelela mfowethu, ngibingelela nababonke lapha ekhaya. Today we'll be talking a very interesting topic that most Christians are afraid of.
Sure. I-topic yanamhlanje nkosi yami kuthiwa the love of money is the root of all evil. Yebazalwane mina ngihamba nayo leyo. It's the root of all evil. Sesike sabona imali ukuthi senzani. Siyaxabana silosizwe imali kuphuma gazi kunama tombstone ngenxa yemali but uMr P njengoba ihleka nje uyayibikisa yena. So uyayibikisa yena he's gonna bring us to his understanding about this. Uthi yena understand ngayiphi indlela and we will be supporting it ngama scriptures ukuthi ihamba kanjani. Thank you Mr P. I was breaking it down yona ukuthi ngoba mina ngithi the love of money is the root of all evil,
which is biblical.
Yeah, biblical.
Yeah, no, let me start by saying you know, there's no way singaphikisi iBhayibheli. There's no way we can be against this.
Okay.
The only problem is with understanding the scriptures.
Yeah.
The only problem we have is understanding the scriptures.
Okay.
Because it's very easy to think you understand when you might somehow be missing a point.
Okay.
So we are trying to say today, in how would we basically understand how the scriptures and what the scriptures mean to us, especially with regard to this particular verse that has created so many cowards when it comes to money.
Ngimhleya kanjani? Ngihleya ngoba phela ngiphetha amavesi nami. So okay Mr P, no akusiyona inkinga. Angazi kuqalaphi.
No, look, I will start by laying the foundation.
Please.
You can come in and then interject when necessary.
Yeah.
Mina, what I'm saying, Mr. Sbanze, is that I've been in the space of community development for many years.
Okay.
You know very well.
Yeah, I'm aware.
If there's one passion I've ever had in my life was the passion of serving people.
Okay.
And in the process, I believed that I was serving God.
Okay.
Right. And I still believe it is somehow correct.
Sure.
But in the process, you realize that there are things that you need to understand with those concept esizanazo.
Sure.
Ukuseva uNkulunkulu ukuthi usebenzele abantu bakhe.
Okay, yeah.
And we'll come back to that. I'm not there yet. But what I'm basically trying to raise here is to say one of the key things that I was never taught the importance yayo in serving God is this piece of paper.
Okay.
How I wish when I do these topics, I have a piece of paper called money in my hand.
Okay.
So that people can understand what I'm trying to say. Because I've realized that people understand best when they see that piece of paper. Because to me, it all begins with the mindset.
Sure.
If the mindset is wrong about money, then whatever else that you will be doing after that, it will be wrong because I will understand what you need.
Okay.
You know, there's a scripture that I love in the Bible. There are two scriptures that I want to start with.
Sure.
The first scripture is in Psalms 24 verse 1. Everything belongs to the Lord our God.
Okay.
That's the first part.
I can have a question a little bit. When we start to make money the master of us, why there is God the master? Why when we start to focus on the money and make money the God, starting to worship the money? So what do you say about that one?
You know, Jesus said that, but you cannot serve two masters.
Yes.
Jesus said that.
Oh, it was in Ecclesiastes, yes.
Yeah,
It was
so-
Matthew chapter 6, verse 24.
Correct. Now you cannot serve two masters.
Mm,
Jesus was correct.
mm,
Jesus was correct. You can't. It's
Yeah.
impossible to serve two masters.
yes.
That is a lie. There's no one masters, let alone what you call money.
Yeah.
It's the only product that is put, the only item that is brought closer to God, that
Okay.
can be compared to God. The
Yeah.
only thing in the entire world, the only thing that can be compared and put on the same level with God in the entire world, Jesus is saying is mammon or the love. I mean, the other master, he calls it money. Right?
Yeah.
So now what I'm saying here is, number one, Jesus was correct. You
Yes.
cannot serve two masters in this world.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can't.
Okay.
That's number one. You will love one or hate
Yeah,
the
hate
other.
the other, yeah.
Or both the masters will give you trouble.
Yes, yes.
You can't in this world serve two masters. That's number one. He's correct.
Yeah.
Say that. It's a statement that Jesus was putting
Sure.
to say you can't serve two masters. Right? Number one.
Mm.
Not to say money is a master.
Mm.
But I will tell you why a lot of people believe that Jesus was saying money is the master.
Okay.
Right. Jesus was not saying money is the master. That's not what he said.
Yeah.
But he said you can't serve two masters, which is true. And some would argue and say, but he was referring to money,
Yeah.
which I do not deny. Which is why he said you can't serve two masters.
Yes.
Now we come to the next part. The next part is this. The only time you bring money to the level of God,
Sure.
it's in that space alone.
Yeah.
It is up here.
In your mind.
It's in your mind.
Okay.
To begin with,
Yeah.
money doesn't exist.
Okay.
The only time money exists is in your mind or in our minds.
But if it solves all the problems that we are facing in this world, because every problem, you are sick, money will solve it.
True.
You are hungry, money will solve it.
True.
Family issues, money will solve.
True.
Family respect, awufuni kuba sumlilo lapha, ufuna ngena ku family meeting, money is the solution.
Right.
So now it starts to be a God in a way. Yeah.
It doesn't have to. It's again come back to what I was saying.
Okay.
In Davila,
Okay. It's in
it
your
all
mind.
begins in the mind.
Yeah.
If the mindset is corrupt,
Okay.
everything else that follows is corrupt, because as a man thinketh, so is
So
he.
easy.
Automatically, as a man thinketh, so is he.
Yeah.
We use paper, Prabhupada, masiyendlini encane.
Yes.
But we can never say the love of toilet paper is a root of all evil.
Okay.
But at the end of the day, money is a paper. The same paper that you can think of. It
Same
doesn't
paper that we write on.
that thing doesn't even have value
Yeah.
to begin with.
Okay.
It doesn't even have value. Gold has got value.
Okay.
Silver has got value. Oil has got value, and many other such assets that oil has.
Sure.
Paper has value. It's just paper. And money, unfortunately, is just paper.
Okay.
But the problem is in the mind.
Yeah.
The mind is so weak that it can be controlled by the paper.
Ouch. Okay.
That's my problem with people. People fear paper.
Yeah.
They fear paper. There's nothing to fear about money. If you can understand that we are dealing here with a paper that was brought into our mind as something valuable, as something big,
Yeah.
as something special, and all of that. But bottom line is a paper. And two, what we need to understand is that we need to outgrow the mindset of understanding that, outgrow the mindset of being human.
Yeah.
All right, and grow to the level of understanding that
Sure.
lefatshe ke la Jehovah, let's worship the Lord.
Yeah.
So in the book of Haggai, the prophet, God says silver and gold belongs to me.
Yeah.
Silver and gold belongs to the Lord. We are supposed to be stewards of silver and gold and never be afraid of what we are supposed to be a master of.
Sure.
Right. Money, that thing that you call money can master you if you don't master it.
Yeah.
And the only time the money can master you, money cannot master anybody.
Yeah.
It can't. It doesn't have the abilities of mastering anyone or anything, because just a piece of paper. The only time money can master you is in your mind, how you think about that piece of paper. I have two things to say.
Yeah.
I have two things to say.
Sure.
All right. I have learned that in life, I'm saying this in passing, we'll touch it some other day.
Sure.
I have learned that in life, you can never have something that you don't love.
Okay.
I'm saying it in passing.
Yeah.
We'll come back to it.
Sure, please. I'll remind you.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, sometimes what we call love of money
Yeah.
is the problem
Okay.
that we have to deal with.
Sure.
Because I have never seen anyone who can really say love money. Right? Because to me, there's no one who can love a paper.
Okay.
No one can fall in love with a paper
Yeah.
until the mindset is correct.
Yeah.
The problem is the mindset of not realizing who you are
Okay.
and whose you are and what is your responsibility,
Sure.
right, in this planet Earth
Okay.
with regard to being a good steward to God, with regard to being disciplined with the thing that we call money. Because that thing is just a paper that was designed
Sure.
for us to trade. Now, that paper that was designed for us to trade became something that runs into our minds because we do not understand the rules or the game itself
Sure.
of trading.
Okay.
If we can understand the importance, we can understand trading and the fact that this paper is just a middle tool of the relationship
Parties,
between the two parties in terms of trading, whatever that people are trading. To
Okay.
begin, we were not even supposed to be talking about trading in scriptures, but unfortunately, because human beings, they decided to turn life into what life is today. Now we are finding ourselves having to trade over things that God has given to us as human beings to be for us all, not for a particular group of people
Sure.
or favor other people over others.
Yeah.
Now, the people who designed that system, they designed it exactly knowing exactly what they were doing when they created this paper as a tool of media, of what you call medium of exchange.
Okay.
Right, when they created that, they knew exactly what they were doing.
Okay.
Which is what then makes people slaves to money.
Sure.
Because now you are not really a slave to money. You are a slave to certain things that you desire.
That can be accessed by money.
Exactly.
Okay.
So you desire those things and the reason you end up working for somebody, it is because there is something that you need from that somebody. And that somebody says to you, if you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for me, I'll give you this piece of paper.
Yeah.
As a form of you using that paper to exchange for something that you need.
Sure.
Now, what I believe that Christians need is more than just paper.
Okay.
They need the understanding of the game of money, the game of what the economics. They need to understand the game of this banking thing and this trading thing and all of that.
Okay.
So once you can understand that, you will never want to worship money, because there's no way you can worship money. Money is just a piece of paper that we use to play the game. Right. So there's no way you can worship the paper that you can use to play the game.
Sure.
Understand the game and the use of this paper and get as much paper as possible. If if you want to get back your power
Yeah.
as a son of God, as a heir of the
Yeah.
kingdom. Unfortunately, you can't take these things back
Yeah.
without you having this paper that you are going to buy these things back. Because we are buying our freedom back
Yeah.
with money. We can buy
Yes.
our lives back
Yeah.
with money. We can buy resources with that thing that we call money.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, you do not need to find yourself being a slave
Mm.
to the system or being a slave to money.
Yeah, okay.
We need to outsmart those who are trying to outsmart us
Mm.
and play the game wise and realize that it is not the love of money
Mm.
that is the root of evil.
Mm.
No, it's not. It's the mind. It's the mind.
So, do you know why I emphasize, I stand on the point that the root of all evil?
Yeah.
A rich man came to Jesus and said, what can I do
Correct.
to enter the kingdom of
Correct.
God? And Jesus said, sell everything that you have and follow me.
That's my master.
But, yeah, sell everything that you have and follow me.
Correct.
And then he say, this guy turns back and walk away. So to me, it looks like he has the addiction of success, of power. He cannot let it go now because he have got servants. He's got what? Louis Vuittons. What? He eats in the expensive restaurant. You want me now to go and eat
True.
panichawa, the one that costs 10 rands?
Inkinga hiyo yona leyo yokuthi the problem is not wealth. The problem is not having the Louis Vuittons, the fastest cars, and all. That is not a problem.
Then was not Jesus warning people not to be trapped?
No. Jesus was demonstrating with this man
Yeah.
to say, let me show you something.
Yeah.
This man says, I have done all those commands. I've kept all those commands that you are talking about.
Sure,
Love the
sure.
Lord your God, love your neighbor, and
Yes.
thou shalt not steal.
Give to the
You name
poor.
all those 10 commandments. And the young man is proudly saying, I have mastered those ones.
Yeah.
And Jesus is looking at him and he says, I'm dealing with barrier.
Yeah.
I'm dealing with barrier.
I'm dealing not lily.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, and then Jesus uyamprovela ukuthi awukakhuli awukahluzi
Sure.
usaseyingane.
Okay.
Right, then Jesus is saying to him, then in that case, if you want to inherit the kingdom, it's very simple. Go and sell everything that you have.
Yes.
All right, and then share with the poor. Share with the poor.
Yeah.
The question is, was there anything wrong with what he had?
No. Okay.
Nothing. The only problem with this man is not what he has.
Okay.
The problem is up
The
here.
mind.
Up here. How he was thinking.
He has allowed his mind to be glued on these things. Okay.
He's a slave to this.
Okay.
He doesn't understand stewardship.
Yeah.
You know, Jesus was saying, prove then that you are a steward of God. You are a good steward of the kingdom.
Yes.
Prove first, then you will inherit the kingdom. If you can prove that you can use world resources to advance the kingdom, to advance people's life, to do good.
Yes.
Use that thing that you have to do good. But the young man, because he was so into these things, ngizithole kanzima, ngizitholelele bunzimeni, ngizilwele lezi zinto lezi, ngizisebenzele le nto lezi, angizidobhanga, lezi zinto lezi, what and what and what. Into lezi missed an opportunity.
Yeah.
Ngenxa yani into lezi.
Yeah.
Aka-understand ukuthi into lezi vele. Into lezi. If we can grow as Christians and stop being afraid, it's like the fear of money is the root of all evil. Or the fear of money is the root of being good.
Okay.
It sounds like that.
Yeah,
the fear of money is the root of being good. So if I want to be a good man, I don't know who defines, who came up with this definition of being good. I don't know which you have to. You don't have to have money to be a good person. Now, money cannot make you a good person. Imali izokumosha. Imali iyamosha bani? Uma umoshekile wena self, umoshekile.
Umoshekile.
Akunamali
Blame
ezokumosha.
imali.
Ukulimele wena. Hayi imali.
Yeah.
Blame into wrong. Blame amaphepha. Right. So,
Okay.
into some way ichaza ukuthi the love is not the love of money. Yeah.
Okay.
You know why people are afraid of having money?
Yeah.
Babakutshela bazothi imali iyawisana.
Okay.
Imali yakususa phambi
Iyamshintsha umuntu.
imali iyamshintsha umuntu.
Yeah.
Imali ayishintshi umuntu. Iyashintsha abantu imali mfethu. Iphepha lento
Yeah.
ingakushintsha kanjani? Ngizokutshela mina imali lenzani.
Yeah.
Imali iveza le demoni elihlezi la kuwe.
That is sweet.
Iveza nje likubeke sobala ukuthi how kanti lo muntu nje.
That's
Bese
the real
kuthiwa
you.
imali. That's the
Yeah.
real you.
Yeah.
That's the real you. Because the real you was supposed to, when you have money,
Yeah.
you were supposed to be advancing
Yeah.
lives and advancing life and changing life and transforming life and adding more value in life because you can serve God best. You can serve God best. See, the world can change by Christian understanding money.
Okay.
The world can change to better. I'm telling you, if Christians can grow to the understanding of being stewards, the particular job, gold and silver, akuseyakho ngoba le mali yeke ucabanga ukuthi yakho yonke lesinayo le masingaqala lapho I'm doing a course now that we have started where we are teaching people that stewardship and discipline with finances. We are teaching people with that.
Okay.
We need stewardship mindset.
Yeah.
Ukuthi mawuqala ubamba imali njengayo yonke into impilo yakho impilo yakho akusiyona yakho
Yeah.
to begin with awunampilo wena.
Yeah.
If unga-understanda lokho ukuthi anginampilo nale mpilo enginayo impilo ongasamoya impilo ongathi usambudi unginikezile uthi umhlaba nabantu meaning nami impilo yami akuyona yami ngiyibolekiwe.
I always say into yakho ilento lozenzele yona. Yabona if you are a tailor, lo yokuthungile okwakho lokho but lokho you never made it.
And even that thing leyo Mr. Sibanzi ozobuya isebenzi ubuilde yakho ngayo
Yeah.
ubuilde ngento ekuyona yakho
Eish.
inomnikazi wona yona wena sona lezandla sizona zakho wena ona next
Even the brain you are using. The eyes. Yeah.
You are just a steward. You are just a steward. Therefore, you need to have discipline with what has been entrusted to you. It's a favor that God will never give umuntu ongenangqondo imali. I mean, I said that.
Yeah.
I said that. And uba novalo mawuqala ubamba imali.
Yeah. Yeah.
If ngoba awuyijwayelanga
Yeah.
you know, but mawunga figure to a level la understand ukuthi hayi into yokudlala le
Yeah.
siyadlala la.
Sure.
So seyingasesayidini la manje ithi ngidlale better,
Yeah.
ithi ngidlale more, ithi ngidlale smart, ithi ngidlale bigger.
Yeah.
Uyangithola? Then God will give you uthi umasikhuluma, I think it's Luke, where he speaks about stewards
Yeah.
being entrusted
Okay.
with uthi uNkulunkulu, if you are faithful with little,
Yes.
then God can trust you
With more.
more.
Yeah.
The reason God can't give you more, bazalwane, is because ningamagwala.
Sure. Okay.
Ani-understand igame, ani-understand imali.
Yeah.
Niyayisaba.
Yeah.
Baba, welcome money. Welcome money. Don't love it. Just welcome it.
Yeah.
Just know that you need money in this world
Yeah.
to make an impact. You need money in this world for you to be this nice.
Yeah.
It's that piece of paper.
Okay.
Right. But then, akusho ukuthi
It shouldn't come and control or own the brain.
once a dictator, once
Yeah.
iphusa,
Hmm.
yeke laba abayidingayo abayazi ukudlala ngayo.
But sithini-ke awungichazele Matthew chapter 6 verse 19.
Yes.
Lay not up for yourself treasures upon earth,
Right.
where moth and wrath doth. Yo Nkosi yami yazi King James iyayithela induku ikushiya ngama-blue eye angazi.
Yeah.
Okay, ithi ngiphinde futhi ngishayeke futhi. Lay not up for yourself treasures upon earth, where moth and rust doth corrupt, and where thieves break through and steal.
Sure.
kunomuntu lokutshela kahle athi ngine 1 million ebhanki
Yeah.
uzongenzani
Yeah.
nginemoto half a million kuphi kuphi nginebhizinisi labo bantu labo akusiwona ama-treasure lawo lasebawabekile
It's a
we
treasure.
still go back to
They
the brain.
treasure that thing.
Okay.
So they don't want to lose it.
Hey.
And okay, isilungu sithi sometimes what you treasure you lose.
Yeah.
But again, in this case, I will say, Mina, a steward, it's someone who understands that I cannot lay myself treasures here.
Yeah.
I cannot.
Okay.
How do you lay treasures for yourself? Entweni ekungeyona yakho. How do you lay treasures for yourself? Ustorani, ufihlani, uzathi le yakho. Inkinga yilo mkhondo we-ownership.
Okay.
Sinalo mkhondo ukufuna uku-owner. Angazi ukuthi lo mqondo woku-owner uya. Sifuna ukuthi yinto zethu lezi, yinto zami. Susa lo mqondo wokuba i-owner. You'll see ukuthi i-life imnandi kanjani, imali imnandi kanjani.
Yeah.
Ukuthi imali ingakusebenzela kanjani. Noma susa nje umqondo lo ukuthi ngifuna uku-owner. So people who stores treasures, they forget ukuthi uJesu wenzele u-example wakhe. Uyakhohlwa nokuthi you can't even add an inch to your life.
Sure.
Right, you can't. There's nothing you can do. If ungavuka ekuseni umnikazi athi sengibuyile ke ngizolanda impilo yami.
Yeah.
Ngisengisho mina umuntu understand umhlaba game esidlayo. Uyazi ukuthi I don't have to stress about storing things for myself. Just play the game. Just play the game.
Just play the game. That was Mr. Phiri akhuluma nathi ngendaba ye-finance. If kusasena more information ozababuya nayo ngo-part 2. Iyaqhubeka lento ayipheleli la. Iphelela. Angosi. Oh, nazizwa. Indaba lengizwe kahle uMr. P athi indaba yakho nengqondo. Lungisa indaba yakho nemadula of Blanket. Lungisa indaba yakho nengqondo. Fix yourself ulungise indaba yakho nokuthi kunabanye abantu abafuna ukuthola imali bese bathi ngifuna revenge ntwana ngifuna ukugcwalisela that means labo bantu bayifunela they want to use money as a weapon. Yingakho ke mina ke I was sticking to the verse it's a root of all evil kani no the back of the mind yomuntu yiyo le levalile elivale bu evil
bathi imali
isitalele nje
iphepha nje lentaka umoya
na the user next time nabakuthandazela bakhipha lo moya. Izinto azimane kwenzeka khona la sisuka khona. Abantu abamane ba-acta evil khona la kusuka khona bekuloku kukhona uyayithola kusifihlile. Ngihlale nisho mina ngithi labantu abaphuwana kungathiwa banikezwa bonke imali. How many evil people can we have and how many good people can we have?
And that's where the real test
ayikhona khona. And abanye uthola namhlanje they are very cruel and ba rich. Now to bheka ekukhuleni kwabo. Those people they were looking nice akusunokuthi bebanenhliziyo embi. So that means ingqondo is store so many things. Kude day kufika imali bese siblame yona.
Exactly. Kanti iyasukelwa nje imali.
Iyasukelwa nomuntu bekavesana nje anjalo.
Kunenkinga. Ichansi ke manje. Uyasidansela ke manje ukugibela itafula kumele simbone.
So I'll explain again the root of all evil. So thi kusho ukuthi into le promoter lobu evil balo muntu iyabuveza not ukuthi evil ngokwayo
akusiyona
iyona i-exposer the evilness in a human being.
So that's why bathi the love of it.
Yeah.
The love of it.
Yeah.
Once ungayithanda wafuna ukuyi-owner wafuna ukuthi iyaku-expose ukuthi sidila nomuntu onje.
Okay.
uNkulunkulu sometimes akakunika imali ufuna ukuveza lento engakalungi ngawe.
Sure.
Sesiyayibona-ke nawe uzibona ukuthi iyangihlula imali. Akusimali shema, akusimali uyayisukela uwe.
So ilo moya I-spirit ayidingi nothi sihlalaphi namhlanje ngiyothi nangizwa nathi sengikwatile ngithi moya omubi ngeke.
Yeah, no.
Guys, siyabonga kakhulu. Ngicela ungakhohlwa kusubscribe and like, comment, tell us what you understand, tell us your testimony ukuthi ke yakuphatha njani imali, ike yakwenzelani, uyini ongakuyenza ngemali. Namhlanje this is Gospel Talk with Buhle Sibanze. I'm with Mr. Phiri. Lapha siyaqhubeka next time. Follow us as we follow Christ. Thank you.
Amen.
I'm gonna